Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, I'm going to teach you how you can copy the meeting link for your meetings on Google Meet really quickly. So let's get started right away. Now, if you'd like to invite your friends or contacts to a Google meeting via a shareable meeting link, simply follow our instructions. So enter the meeting you would like to share. So let me go with that video call here or meeting for demonstration purposes. And basically, all you will need to do, guys, is click on that button in the bottom right corner on that eye or information icon here, meeting details. That is going to open that panel for you here to the right. So what you want to do is simply click on that button here on the top, in the top right corner, copy joining info, and that is going to copy that shareable meeting link for you in your clipboard so that you may share it with your contacts via emails, social media posts, direct messaging services, and so on and so forth, guys. So that would be one option, how to copy your shareable meeting link. Another one would be to simply create and share a meeting link, for example, for a meeting you would like to schedule. So to do that, head back to your home screen here on Google Meet, click on New Meeting here, and after that, select Create a Meeting for Later from the drop-down menu. After that, Google Meet will create a unique meeting link for your meeting here. So what you want to do, guys, is simply click on that button here, copy link, and repeat the same process. Simply share that link with your contacts to invite them to a scheduled meeting for later. And that's basically it, guys. That's how it works. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.